Welcome back. Now in this video, we're actually going to go through a brief recording process so you can get an understanding of what's actually going to happen when you hit the record button. Now we're going to record the screen that you're looking at in front of you. And in order to do that, we're just going to hit the red record button if we have all of our settings in place. And we hit the red record button. You'll notice that we get the opportunity to change our caption. So we'll call that Create Video with Camtasia 9 Test. And then we'll click OK. Now we're going to see this throughout this course because we're using two forms of Camtasia Studio in order to record the course. You will not see this error message. So just to get rid of the error message, I'm going to click OK so that we can then see the countdown before we actually start recording. Once again, this you will not see in your recording process. We're going to click OK. Then you're going to see Camtasia Studio start the countdown. And right now, we are now recording our screen. Now, one thing you're going to notice right away is that the recording toolbar is no longer visible in front of us, and it's actually hidden down on the toolbar. So it actually goes away and it appears at the bottom. If we want to see what's actually happening with our recording toolbar, we can do that, but it's going to bring it into the screen where our recording is. Now let's do that right now. Now you'll notice that this is actually now going to be part of the recording. Now what's happening on the toolbar is that it's actually counting the elapsed time. If we have our camera showing, it's showing, and it is actually showing us where we can actually pause the recording and stop it. Now once again, we have configured hotkeys in order to do this, and we'll actually do this in a future video where we'll show you how the hotkeys are actually going to work. So now we're going to go ahead and minimize this so that the sample recording that you see will actually show this screen. Now the other thing that we're going to do is we're going to actually just go to youtube.com and we're just going to start a video. Now when we start this video, there is actually going to be sound, and that sound will actually be part of the video. So we're going to now just go back to the screen here, and once again this video is now still recording. Now when we're complete with this recording, we can either hit the F10 button as our hotkey, or we can just hit stop. Now once again, you'll notice that this toolbar is not appearing. If we bring it into our video, it'll appear here, and we don't want to do that in order to stop our actual video. And that's the case where we want to have our hotkeys. We want to use our hotkeys so that we do not have to go and pick up this toolbar in order to stop the video. Of course, what we can also do, remember, is we can put it onto another screen if we're using a second screen, either to the left or to the right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click stop. And then what's going to happen is Camtasia is going to start making this into an editable video. So you'll notice that the editing screen will come up and Camtasia will actually place the edit onto the toolbar. Now we will go through an editing process in another video. You'll also notice that the webcam was actually enabled and is in the corner. We can actually remove that webcam from the recording by just going to delete it. Okay, so now once we have completed this, you've actually gone to see now some of the basics as to how it's going to work. We will walk in depth through how you're going to use Camtasia to record your screen, or to record a PowerPoint, or even to record your talking head videos. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.